Chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Quick revision kariye. Pictures that are result of doodling are called curves. First definition. What are curves? Pictures that are result of doodling are called curves. What is a simple curve? A curve that does not cross itself is called a simple curve. This is called a simple curve. This is called a simple curve. But this is not called a simple curve because it crosses itself. Okay. Number 2 definition. B and C are examples of simple curves. Okay. Examples. Pachi. Interior region. So inner part is called the interior. Outer area is called the exterior region. A curve is said to be closed if its ends are joined. એટલે જેના ends મળે that are called closed curve. Like this. Starting point and end point meet each other. Then they are called closed curve. This is not a closed curve. આનો starting point and ending point નથી meet થતા. વચ્ચે કસે meet થાય છે. Okay, so it is not a closed curve. Chalo, next, polygons. A polygon can be defined as a closed curve made up of line segments. Closed curve made up of line segment. What is closed curve? Whose starting point and ending point meet each other. But this is not a polygon. Polygon is made up of line segments. Starting points, triangle can be a polygon. Square can be a polygon. Rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, they all are made up of line segments. Okay, they all are polygons. Then angle sum property of a triangle. What is angle sum property? All angles measure equals to 180 degree. Sum of all angles equals to 180 degree. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Okay, then classification of polygon. Okay, three-sided polygon, that is a triangle. Four-sided is quadrilateral. Five-sided is pentagon. That means 5 sides. Made up of 5 sides or made up of 3 sides. Made up of 3 sides is triangle. 3 line segments, triangle. Smallest polygon, so triangle. Okay. And sum of all angles, interior angles in a find karwa hoy any formula. Sum of interior angles of a polygon, so n minus 2 into 180 is the formula. N minus 2 into 180. Any jagya, if it is made up of 4 line segments, then put n equals to 4. 4 minus 2 into 180, which will be equals to 180 into 2, 360 degree. This is a quadrilateral made up of 4 line segments is quadrilateral. So interior angles of a quadrilateral, sum of interior angles is 360. Same way, if I ask for pentagon, sum of interior angles of a pentagon, pentagon is made up of 5 line segments. So n minus 2 into 180. So n jagah 2 mooks sorry 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180, which is equals to 3 into 180. That will be equal to 540. 540. Okay, this is interior angles of a polygon formula. Interior angles of a polygon, n minus 2 into 180. Okay, now next, diagonals. Diagonals, they under opposite sides hoy, that are called, the diagonal is a line segment consisting connecting 2 non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Non-consecutive. Okay, like this, opposite. Here, if we are asked what is the, how many diagonals does a pentagon have, तो कई रीते find out करसो. Formula શું છે diagonals find out કરવાની?
n into n.
N into
n minus 3 divided by 2.
Correct. N into n minus 3 divided by 2. Suppose I am given that a 5-sided polygon. How many diagonals does it consist? So, હું n ની જગ્યાએ 5 substitute કરીશ. So 5 into 5 minus 3 divided by 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 5 into 2 divided by 2, which is equals to 5 diagonals. Okay. So check કરીએ આપણે અહીંયા આગળ આ pentagon shape છે, કેટલી diagonals છે એની? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 diagonals. So So if you want to find out diagonals, so formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. Remember. Okay. Then types of polygons. There are 4 types of polygon. First is concave, convex, regular, and irregular. Concave polygon. Only one angle can be greater than 180 degree. One angle should be greater than 180 degree. And one portion of diagonal is in the exterior. एक diagonal exterior region માં જશે. અને મેં concave માટે figure કેવું હોય મેં યાદ રાખવાનું શીખવાડ્યું હતું તો dent. This is called a dent. આનો એક angle greater than 180 છે. એનો એક diagonal outside છે. Therefore it is concave polygon. Clear? Next, convex. All interior angles are less than 180 degree. First condition. And second condition, all diagonals lie within the diagram or the polygon. Okay? All the diagonals are within the figure. Then third is regular polygon. All angles and sides are equal. All angles and sides are equal. That means equiangular or equilateral. That is possible when all sides are equal. Equilateral triangle imagine karo. All angles are equal and all sides are also equal. Therefore, regular polygon. Irregular means not equal. Simple. Okay. Next. Now exercise બીજી theory. Exterior angles. Exterior angles of a polygon equals to 360 degree. Whole turn mare છે. I explained you earlier also. It makes a whole turn of 360 degree. Okay. So number of sides ne divide kariye to we can get exterior angle. Suppose it is made up of 5 line segments. So what is the exterior angle of a pentagon? So 360 divided by 5. So 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10. Exterior angle of a pentagon is 72 degree. Okay. Okay. Interior angles માટેની formula હતી n-2 into 180 અને 1 interior angle find કરવું હોય તો n-2 into 180 divided by n. એ તો sum of interior angles ની formula હતી. હવે 1 interior angle તો n-2 into 180 by n. And sum of exterior angles of a polygon equals to 360 we know, but if we want to find out one exterior angle of a regular polygon, only regular polygon we can find out, not for irregular. Okay. So one exterior angle will be equal to 60 degree by n. Okay. Now next 3.2 done. Okay. Properties of quadrilaterals. Different types of quadrilaterals ni properties. First one, parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are also equal. Okay. What all are equal? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles means this and this. Okay. And this also and this also. Opposite sides are equal. Yes, Yog?
Ma'am, one more property will be there.
What?
Adjacent angles are supplementary.
Yes, adjacent angles are supplementary. Correct. And one more there. Diagonals क्या करते हैं उसके?
Bisect.
Correct. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Adjacent angles are supplementary and diagonals bisect each other. अभी फिलहाल के लिए मैं 2 प्रॉपर्टीज दिखा रही हूँ, बाकी की 2 प्रॉपर्टी मैं बाद में दिखाती हूँ. Rhombus. Opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. All sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Then rectangle. Opposite sides are parallel and equal and each angle is a right angle. Each angle is a rectangle for right angle for a rectangle. Then square. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Each angle is a right angle. Same like rectangle. But there we did not have all sides as equal. Only parallel sides were equal. Here all sides are equal. Okay. Now kite. Only 2 pairs of consecutive sides are equal. Only 2 pairs. Only 2 pairs. Consecutive means adjacent. Baju bajuma are equal. And trapezoid or trapezium, only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Only one side is parallel. This is not parallel. Okay. Now, હવે ડિટેલમાં જોઈશું properties of trapezium. What were the properties? Let's see. Only one pair of opposite side of trapezium parallel. Only one pair is parallel. Two adjacent sides of trapezium are supplementary. These are parallel. The two adjacent sides are supplementary. Means these two angles will make 180 degree. Angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Same way angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. And the diagonals of trapezium bisect each other in the same ratio. They bisect each other. If I say they bisect in the ratio 2:1, 2:1 ratio ma bisect kare chhe. So this will also bisect in 2:1 ratio. They bisect each other in the same ratio. Okay. Next, parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram are of equal length and they are parallel. Equal and parallel. Lengthwise also equal and parallel. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are, how are they? Equal measures. Opposite angles of parallelogram are of equal measures. And the sum of adjacent side of parallelogram is also 180 degree. That means this angle and this angle, 180 degree. This and this, 180 degree. Okay. And the diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Next, kite. A kite in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal. Okay. But here, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Are important. Diagonals bisect each other at right angle only. Okay. Next, rhombus. All four sides are of same measure. Opposite sides of rhombus are parallel to each other. Opposite angles are of same measure. And the sum of adjacent side of rhombus is equal to 180. Adjacent angle is 180. This. Okay. Diagonals perpendicularly bisect. Only in rhombus. Perpendicularly bisect each other. Means 90 degree. Same like kona jevu, kite jevu. Okay. Then next, square. All sides are equal and parallel. Each angle is right angle. Diagonals are also equal length and diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Same. Equal length and bisect each other at right angle. Okay. And next property, rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Each angle is right angle. Diagonals are of equal length and diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals are of equal length. Important for rectangle and what? Square. Diagonals are of equal length for rectangle and square. Next. Okay. Then properties as discussed. Properties as discussed. Okay, we are done with theory. Hello, doubts?
Ma'am, doubts.
કોની પાસે છે doubts?
Ma'am, મારા
પાસે પણ છે.
ચલો બોલો. Which one?
કોણ કે?
યશવર્ધન start કરજો.
Ma'am, 3.1 માં છે ને question 6 માં B છે ને, sorry, question 7 માં B.
B. હા.
Question 7 માં B એમાં ખબર ના પડી.
શું ખબર ના પડી? ક્યાં સુધી ખબર પડી? Okay, we will see. ચલો. Question number 2. આપણે x, y, z plus y plus z plus w, we need to find it out. Okay. This is a quadrilateral. Okay. Now, opposite angles are, okay, 180 છે. તો આ કેટલું થશે? 60. How?
60.
They are supplementary. Correct? Addition કરવાથી 180 થવું જોઈએ. Okay. Straight line છે એટલે. So this is 60. X 60 મળી ગયું. If this is 80, then what is the value for y, Yashwardhan?
हाँ मैम.
y કેટલું થશે? Sum of adjacent angles equals to 180. તો આ 180 થવું જોઈએ પૂરું. આ એક 80 આપ્યું છે તો y કેટલું થઈ જાય? 100. કરેક્ટ? પછી નેક્સ્ટ, this is 60 તો આ કેટલું થઈ જશે? સ્ટ્રેટ લાઈન છે. આ 60 છે તો આ કેટલું? 180 minus 60, 120. Correct? Now, interior angles of a quadrilateral, sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is how much? 60, 80, 180 છે તો interior angles of quadrilateral equals to 360 degree. Angles equals to 360 degree for quadrilateral 4 line segments, correct? Made up of 4 line segments, therefore 60 degree. કઈ રીતે? n minus 2 into 180. n ની જગ્યાએ 4 મૂકો, 4 minus 2 into 180, which is equals to 360 degree. Now, 60 plus 80 plus 120 plus, suppose હું આને a કહું, plus a equals to 360. સબટ્રેક્ટ કરો, શું આવે છે એની વેલ્યુ? વોટ ઇઝ એ? યશવર્ધન કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીને કે ફટાફટ.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
મેમ 260 આવશે
હા તો
અને
એને 360 માંથી સબટ્રેક્ટ કરો તો કેટલું આવે?
360 minus 260 આવશે 100.
ઓકે, if this is 100, આ કેટલું થશે?
હા.
આ કેટલું થશે? w.
80.
કરેક્ટ? મળી ગયા x, y, z અને w. ચારેની વેલ્યુ મળી ગઈ. એડ કરી દો, આન્સર મળી જશે. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન.
શું કરવાનું? છેલ્લે શું કરવાનું?
x plus y plus z plus w આપણે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનું છે. જો find x plus y plus z plus w ક્વેશ્ચન માં છે.
હા, એટલે એક્સટીરિયર બધા એડ કરવાના તો આન્સર
60 plus 100 plus 120 plus 80.
હા.
ઓકે, ચલો નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન.
મેમ મને છે.
હા રીતિ બોલો કયો?
મેમ એક્સરસાઇઝ 3.3 માં.
ઓકે, 3.3 માં which question?
મેમ ક્વેશ્ચન 9.
9. ઓકે,
હા મેમ આમાં.
ચલો શું આપ્યું છે? In the above figure, both RISK and CLUE are parallelograms. Okay, parallelograms. Find the value of x. Now, parallelogram ની properties શું હતી? Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal.
Equal.
Okay.
હા.
So, if this is 120, તો આ કેટલું થઈ જાય? રિદ્ધિજ બોલશે, બીજું કોઈ નહીં.
હા મેમ.
If this is 120, so what will be the value for this? આ કેટલું measure થશે? Opposite angles of parallelogram are
Equal તો મેમ 120 થશે.
120. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, so this plus this equals to 180. Angle કેટલું થઈ જાય? 180 minus 120. That is equals to 60. Now opposite angles are equal again. તો આ angle કેટલું થઈ ગયું મારું?
60.
60. આ 70 છે તો આ કેટલું થઈ જશે? 70.
હા મેમ
હવે
70.
sum of interior angles of triangle કેટલું હોય?
મેમ
angle sum property, angle, suppose આને હું z નામ દઉં, z plus e plus s કરું તો angle z, sorry, angle z plus angle e plus angle s equals to 180 થાય. Interior angles of a triangle બને છે અહીંયા?
હા મેમ.
So interior angles of triangles equals to 180. Bay angles we are known. We know two angles 70 plus 60 plus x equals to 180. So x मरी जाए.
हाँ
180
मैम.
minus 130, which is
130.
50.
50.
Okay.
मैम.
So next out.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम आज एक्सरसाइज में 7th वाળું.
7th one. Okay. Okay. चलो. The adjacent figure hope is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures x, y, and z. State the properties you use to find them. Okay, x, y, and z. Okay. First step. Angle કેટલું થશે શિવમ? 70 છે તો
મેમ આ બી પેલું 70 જ રહેશે.
સપ્લિમેન્ટરી છે એટલે
70.
180 minus 70 કેટલું થાય? 110. So this is 110. And we are given that it is a parallelogram. So opposite angles of a parallelogram are
Equal.
so this will also be equal to 110. X મળી ગયું. Now આ 110 છે, આ 40 છે, અને adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary again.
Supplementary.
So આનું addition કરવાથી મને મળવું જોઈએ, આ અને આનું addition કરું તો મને 180 મળવું જોઈએ. So 40 plus z plus 110 equals to 180. So z equals to 180 minus 110 minus 40. 70 minus 40, how much?
0.
30. Z is 30. So આખું angle મને કેટલું મળ્યું? 40 plus 30, that is 70.
70.
Okay, this is 70. So this will also be equal to 70.
70.
Okay, now
Yes.
this triangle એ બી ના જોવો. ચલો હું આ અંદરનું ટ્રાયંગલ જોઉં.
હા.
એંગલ સમ પ્રોપર્ટી લગાડો અહીંયા. આ 30 છે મારી પાસે, આ 110 છે. This is given as 30, this is given as 110. y ની વેલ્યુ નીકળી જાય.
હા મેમ નીકળી જાય.
કેટલી નીકળે? 180 minus 110 minus 30.
Yes.
તો કેટલી આવશે? y equals to
Y equals to 40.
correct 40. So this is 40. મળી ગઈ બધી values? Clear?
હા. હા.
Next out. Panchul,
हाँ बोलो.
કયો ડાઉટ છે તને?
मैम
હા બોલો યશ.
मैं पूछो डाउट.
એક મિનિટ પાંશુલને પૂછી લેવા દે.
हाँ मैम.
हाँ आમાં નથી.
અખંડ पंशुल.
ના મેમ છે તું પછી છે.
ओके तू पूछी ले रहा. योग, आपका कौन सा डाउट है?
मैम एक्सरसाइज 3.4 क्वेश्चन 6.
3.4 क्वेश्चन 6
मैम मेरे को भी वही डाउट है.
by 6. Okay. चलो. ABC is a right angle triangle. Important question है. Okay. ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to right angle. O is the midpoint of side opposite to the right angle. चलो डायग्राम फरी बार बनावे. A, B, C. This is a right angle. Okay. અને હું એને પાછળ બી કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરું છું. This is A color change. A, B, C is a right angle. First step મારું અહીંયા સુધી થઈ ગયું. Now O is the midpoint of side opposite to right angle. Side opposite to right angle is AC. એનો midpoint છે O. Okay. O is equidistant from A, B and C. ચલો join करिए. O is equidistant from A, O is equidistant from B and O is equidistant from C. Help explain why O is equidistant. Okay. Now मैं एवी रीते कंस्ट्रक्ट કર્યું डायग्राम कि AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Okay. These two are parallel. and this are parallel. Okay, now this is given as right angle. We know that adjacent sides of parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, so angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. So angle B plus angle C will also be equal to 180 degree. Adjacent છે. Okay, so angle B plus C equals to 180 degree. And angle B તો આપણને ખબર છે 90 છે. Angle C भी 90 બની જશે. This is also 90 now. If this is 90, then this will also become 90. 90, 90. All angles are 90 degree. So either it may be a rectangle or a square. Okay, it may be a rectangle or a square. All properties of parallelograms and angles are 90 degree. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. અત્યાર સુધી rectangle છે. I don't know all sides are equal or no. I just know that all angles are 90 degree. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Opposite angles are equal. And diagonals bisect each other. એટલું છે મારી પાસે. Now, diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. That means OA equals to 1/2 of AC. Midpoint is O is the midpoint of AC. Okay. So this is 1/2 of AC. This will also be equal to 1/2 of AC. Now this is also a diagonal. आने भी construct करूँ तो this will be equal to 1/2 of BD. And आ भी 1/2 of BD. Now diagonals are equal for parallelogram. So 1/2. So AC equals to BD. Therefore AC equals to BD. So OA equals to OC થઈ જાય. Now if OA equals to OC, OB equals to OD. Therefore O is equidistant from A, B and C. Hence proved. कोई doubt? Shivam Hemil, कोई doubt?
ना मैम.
Clear?
Yes मैम.
Next doubt? Yes,
Ma'am.
sure. Which one?
Question exercise 3.3 માં 8 question છે ને એ
Ma'am.
second.
हाँ हाँ पंशुल.
मैम 3.3 માં 12th क्वेश्चन.
ओके 8 कर ले. 8 में कयो यशवर्धन?
8th માં second વાળો.
સેકન્ડ વાળો. ઓકે. Diagonals of a parallelogram ને શું થાય? Parallelograms આપેલું છે. Diagonals of parallelograms bisect each other. Correct. So that means midpoint થઈ જાય. So OR equals to ON. So 16 equals to x plus y. Number 1. Same way. Second diagonal માં જોઈએ તો OS equals to OU. So 20 equals to y plus 7. So y equals to 13. 13 की value यहाँ substitute करें तो 16 equals to 13 plus x. So x equals to 3. मरी गई x અને y ની value. Clear?
હા.
Okay. Panchal का 12th question.
Equals to y plus 7 તો 13 એક ત્યારે સમજ ના પડી.
કઈ આગળ? ક્યાં સમજ ના પડી? Diagonals of parallelograms bisect each other. Okay. Bisect करे. That means this length equals to this length.
હા.
This length equals to this length. એટલે midpoint છે.
હા મેમ એ સમજ પડી. આ OU OS equals to OU એ સમજ પડી. આ 20 equals to y plus 7 a અને 16 equals to 13 plus x એના
મેં
સમજ.
y ની વેલ્યુ 13 મળી. મેં y ની વેલ્યુ અહીંયા સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરી દીધી આ ઇક્વેશન માં. અહીંયા આગળ
હા.
એટલે x equals to 3 મળી ગયું.
હા.
ઓકે. ચલો Panchul, which question? 12th.
12th.
Okay. Chalo. In the find the measure of angle P. Angle P નું measure find કરવું છે. P and S. If SP is parallel to QR. SP is parallel to QR in the given figure. If you find M angle R, is there more than one method to find angle P? Is there any more method to find M angle P? चलो first method में જોઈએ. Opposite angles of a trapezium are કેવા હોય? આ 130 આપ્યું છે અને this is given as 90 degree. Okay, this is 90. Adjacent angles of a trapezium are supplementary.
90.
So angle R plus angle S equals to 90. 90 બની ગયું. This is also 90. પછી interior angles of a trapezium કેટલું થાય? Interior angles, sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral 360. So 360 minus 130 minus 90 minus 90 equals to angle P. So angle P equals to 50. Correct? આ તો એક method થઈ. This is one method.
P અને angle S નું પણ.
No, they are not parallel sides હોય ને, supplementary થાય. This and this will be supplementary. So 130 plus angle P equals to 180 થશે. That is the second method. You are correct. Okay. So angle P plus angle Q equals to 180 degree. So angle
Minus
P
90.
180 minus 130, 99, 50. 50. બે method છે, આ number 1 અને આ number 2. Sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral, and second method is adjacent angles of a trapezium. Okay.
ma'am.
More doubts?
Yeah.
Shivam, any more doubts? Yog?
No, ma'am.
Riddhi, any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
Yash?
Nah, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll give you one sum. Solve it. 1 minute. Solve this one. Find the measure of all 4 angles of a parallelogram whose consecutive angles are in the ratio 1:3. Parallelogram. We are given parallelogram. Consecutive means adjacent sides. Suppose I take this and this as consecutive sides. चलो आटली भी हिंट આપી. चलो डन. चलो let me know.
पहले सम ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम 360 डिग्री.
हाँ પછી
x plus 3x plus x plus 3x equal to 360 डिग्री.
करेक्ट પછી
मैम वो एक मिनट.
मैम एना बच्चों बोलू.
हाँ रिद्धि.
मैम x plus 3x plus x plus 3x is equal to 360 degree. तो 8x is equal to 360 degree. तो x is equal to 45 degree.
Correct. X equals to 45 degrees. Suppose A is X and this is 3X. So opposite angles are equal. If this is 3X, this will also be 3X. This is X and this will also be X. હવે મને X 45 મળી ગયું. X is 45 degree. And 3 into 45, how much?
130.
How much?
135.
Correct. 135. So 45, 135, 45, 135. That are your answers.
45 135.
Okay. 45, 135. Sorry.
135.
135, 45,
135.
okay. चलो.